In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CNAME record in your domain DNS settings using Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and head to your domain's dashboard. Once you're signed in, look for the overview area where your domain cards or listings appear. This is usually the main place where you can see all of the domains connected to your account. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before continuing, especially if you manage more than one domain. Next, find the custom target domain you want to update and select its entry from the list. You'll want to click on the correct row or card so you can open that domain's individual management options. This is important because DNS changes only apply to the specific domain you choose. After opening the domain details, go to the DNS settings tab. Depending on the platform layout, this may appear as a tab, menu option, or settings section. This is where all of your DNS records are managed, including records for website routing, email configuration, and verification services. Make sure you're in the right section before making any changes so you don't accidentally update the wrong setting. Once you're in DNS settings, scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the page. In many dashboards, the area for adding custom DNS records is located beneath the existing records table. You may see input fields, editable rows, or a section designed for creating a new record. If the page contains a lot of entries, go slowly so you don't miss the custom data fields. When you reach the record creation section, open the record type drop-down menu and choose CNAME. This tells the system that you want to create a canonical name record, which is commonly used to point one hostname to another destination rather than assigning it directly to an IP address. Now enter the host alias in the host field, and then enter the target endpoint address in the destination or value field. Be careful when typing here, because even a small typo can prevent the record from working properly. It's best to double check spelling, formatting, and any required punctuation before saving. Finally, click Add to create the record. After that, the new CNAME entry should appear in your DNS records list. Keep in mind that DNS updates may not take effect instantly, so if you don't see the result right away, give it some time for propagation. And that's how to add a CNAME record to your domain through the DNS settings page in Chrome.